Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I am really excited to get into this. So obviously I have a different point of view today. I'm actually sitting in front of my 8-bit corner television here, that Magnabox wood grain that you saw on my game room tour that had the NES and the Atari 2600 hooked up. That's because I picked up a console I've been wanting to get my hands on for a while, and it's actually just, it's amazing I even found one. I found one. Holy crap, this is amazing. And yes, it's in its box. Yeah, the box isn't in the best of shape. So I was trolling around on the Facebook Marketplace, and I had been setting back a little bit of money for a Atari 5200, you know, just a couple bucks here and there every month or every week or so, just until I say about 4-1. I knew these were kind of pricey. But on the Facebook Marketplace, this guy posted one that was stupidly cheap. Like, amazingly cheap. Like, I'm not even gonna say how much I paid for it, or I should say how little I paid for this, because I think I got lucky when I messaged him is when I did. And I said, hey, is that price right? And he goes, yeah. He goes, does it work? He goes, oh yeah, it works, come look at it. So I load it up and I go there. It's actually very local. And he has it hooked up, he's playing Space Invaders to his television. I'm like, wow, that's amazing. I said, so why are you selling it? He goes, well, I've already sold 2 of them. And I'm like, you had 4 of them? He goes, yeah. I'm keeping the best condition one, obviously. I'm keeping all my games. I have the full library. I'm keeping the best condition controllers that have been repaired properly. And I'm just, me and my wife are downsizing. We're both retired, kids moved out, grandkids moved out, so I don't need all 4 consoles, so I'm selling them. Oh, sweet, I said, so that price is right? He goes, oh yeah, here, let me get you the box for it. Like, the entire story of this, it's amazing that you know, he laughed and said that this is the worst condition box of the other 4. And this console's actually in the worst shape, which actually doesn't say much because it's actually in immaculate shape. So take a look at that here in a second. But it wasn't just that. He handed me a stack of like 9 games, 2 of it duplicates, and he also handed me the boxes they all come in. So first we're going to show all the games working real quick. I just want to test them out. I want to get this thing hooked up to my game shelf. And then we'll take a look at the stuff after I get done testing everything. Okay, so yeah, I've got it all hooked up now. So this has a really weird and annoying switch box where I'm going to review a retrospective review of this once I played it a little bit more and that kind of stuff. But it's got a really weird way the video and power cable works. So yeah, first off, let's talk about some of the games that he sent. Centipede, Frogger 2 3 Deep. Is it supposed to be like Frogger 2 3D? That's a pun? Or is it supposed to be, I don't know, Missile Command, Pac-Man, Pole Position? Yeah, the boxes aren't in too great a shape, which is why I did take all the games out of the boxes, because I'm going to display the boxes somewhere else. Space Invaders, sucker. So I have a sports game. He sent 2 Super Breakouts. So yeah, I have 2 copies of Super Breakout, 3 copies of Super Breakout now. Kicks. So we got a nice stack of games to test. So we're gonna do this. And yeah, I know it's a little weird that I just released that VIC-20 library testing video. Actually, that was the previous one, I think. I'm releasing this one, which is just me doing the same thing with my Atari 5200. But I'm too excited to not test this thing out. Ooh, that definitely looks way better than the Atari 5200 or the 2600 version. Oh, and I already see a problem. This joystick is not great for playing Pac-Man. Let's see if soccer works. Let's try this. Oh, numpad don't work. And reset doesn't work. But anyway, game works. Let's try some Frogger 2 3D. Whatever it is. Oh wow. Like, graphically, I'm not gonna lie, I could be fooled into thinking this is like the NES era stuff. So I don't think this controller works, but the game is working. Yeah, I probably should have figured out which controller worked beforehand, but see if Space Invaders works. Super Breakout. Yeah, I have like 3 copies of this now. Like, I'm not gonna lie, compared to the 2600, this is already a much superior, like, console. Ooh, that is way too sensitive. Oh my god. Let's try another Super Breakout. Hey, it works. And let's try copy number 3. They all work. I was hoping one wasn't. That way I could be like, you know, at least... Yeah, this controller sucks for this. Moon Patrol. Yeah, I need to go through all these controllers and see which one works the best. Oops. Game works. Centipede. Pole position. Ooh, this looks pretty good, actually. This actually kind of, sort of reminds me of like the NES version. In a way. Yeah, this joystick is not the best for these type of games. Kicks. I think I have this on Atari, the Atari computer. So how do I play this? Whoops. Oh, okay. What is doing that? Defender. Oh, is this that one? Okay. So yeah, that's actually amazing that all these games work. Obviously, that controller's not working all that well, but that's I'm not going to complain. If I have to repair one controller to get it perfect, and then the other 3 I just fiddle around with trying to get them working in the future, that's fine. I'm not going to be too upset about it because I finally have a console I've been looking for and it fits on my shelf just nicely. I think I tried every game actually. But yeah, I want to put the boxes somewhere to display and that kind of stuff. But yeah, like I said, this was just going to be a quick video of me showing this thing and see if it works. I'm going to be playing this thing a crap ton here in the future because I obviously want to do a retrospective of it because this is a console I've never messed with and I kind of want to see if it lives up to the hype or the infamy that this console, this legacy has. So yeah, with that being said, thank you everyone for watching this kind of short video. But that's kind of the thing. I wanted to get a couple more shorter videos out just to break up the, I think, 3 hours long video that I did recently. I hope you liked it. Put in the comments if you want to see me play any of these games specifically, either in a review setting or just a gameplay setting. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload more content. I am trying to get a better schedule going that's well, for both recording and editing. And that being said, again, thank you everyone for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.